Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Betterment College in CAP Round 1 DSP. Betterment is a crucial option if you're looking to improve your allocated college or course. It allows you to participate in subsequent rounds with the aim of securing a more preferred option from your original choices. Ensure you understand the rules and eligibility criteria before proceeding. This process can significantly impact your academic journey. Once logged into your CAP portal, navigate to the Betterment section. Here, you'll indicate your desire to participate in Betterment. The most critical step is to rearrange your college and course preferences. Only higher preferences than your current allotment will be considered. Take your time to ensure your updated list accurately reflects your desired outcomes for future rounds. After the Betterment round, check your updated allotment status. If you receive a better college, you must accept it and complete the necessary admission formalities. You'll have options like freeze, meaning you're satisfied with the new allotment, or float, if you wish to participate in further rounds while retaining your current Betterment seat. Make an informed decision based on your preferences. Always research colleges and courses extensively before finalizing your preference list. Understanding cutoffs and campus facilities is vital. Don't hesitate to consult with counselors or seniors who have navigated this process. Their insights can be invaluable. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Good luck with your Betterment journey and future academic endeavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.